A shaky leaf leads me to someone's family tree. The We're Related app tells me I'm cousins with Ben Franklin. My DNA test announces I have a match. As a family historian, what am I to do with this information? The family tree may not be well documented. Phone apps are fun, but they are not bastions of accuracy. And my DNA match is often not very specific. All of these scenarios require further research. And the Evidentia Cousin Tracker can help you track that research. In the Cousin Tracker, you enter a possibility tree, a direct line only tree with 2 branches. Evidentia will track your research progress by flagging each link in the tree that has a proof. When all the links are proven, you write a final conclusion about the cousin relationship. Evidentia allows you to generate a proof report that includes the evidence for both direct lines. And you can share that document with your new cousin. The Cousin Summary Report lets you track the progress of all your cousin research efforts. Just one more way that Evidentia can help you improve your genealogy research.